Okay, so guys, oh my god, I'm so sorry. Underneath my bakery right now. I'm trying to get it.
Did I hit you, Bob?
What?
Did I hit you?
No.
Oh.
Oh!
No!
I died a third time! Why do I suck? Okay, guys. I'm sorry. You knocked down the camera, though. Good job on that.
Oh, no, it's because I shot you and then you got really scared and then that happened.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. I never get scared, guys. So, yeah, I don't know how that would happen. Oh! Whoopsie. This gives me a chance. I can finally kill the little boy. The little fool. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Did I shoot you?
No. You came so close, though. You didn't even shoot. I got so far. Oh, again on my hand. I tried so hard. It got so far. In the end.
My mask!
Free for all. We got free for all. Oh, my God. Okay.
Well, that doesn't count because you hit my mask.
Yeah, it counts.
No, because it keeps me safe.
Okay, well, then, Bryce, 2 of your kills don't count.
Why?
Because you shot me the glasses. When you just realized that you failed.
Oh, sorry.
You get a B minus.
That counts.
Alright, so we're going to have a death match now. We get, how about a minute? Alright, so we get a minute to get all the stuff we want packed up with us to go. Alright, so let's go. I gotta go do this stuff. No, you can't take that, remember? I will toss you the rest of the ammo though that I scavenged. Okay, so guys, dude, no, you can't take the stuff. You have to use your Nerf guns.
Yeah, this is mine.
Okay, the ones that you already have though.
Please, can I have it?
Fine. Okay, so guys, we are getting, already. I don't think I'm gonna last very long on this. Oh, and since we have 2 big weapons, we are allowed to leave one here and hide it. So, or not, actually, no, we can't hide them. No. We are going to have to leave one Nerf gun at our base that we are allowed to come and get. Oh God, I'm freaking out because I don't have much time left. Okay, come on.
I need my mask.
You're done already?
Yep.
Oh
I
my
hid my
God.
Nerf gun.
What?
I hid my Nerf gun.
No, you don't have to.
I'm still hiding it.
Okay, so, oh my God. Okay, guys, I am not going to last very long in this round at all. Alright? I freaking suck at stuff like this.
Oh, but remember,
Like
3 deaths. Wait.
Yeah, I have 3 deaths.
And I only have how
So,
many?
like, guys,
How many deaths do I
2.
have?
So whenever we play like Nerf Call of Duty or something like that, I'm like always the first one to die. Like, it's ridiculous. Okay. I'm just like stocking up on ammo right now, because that's like the one thing I need, because I go through ammo so fast. I'll just shoot at random things.
Oh, yeah, I need to.
This is why I'm not good at Minecraft with bows. My God. If you give me a bow in Minecraft and arrows, I'm just going to shoot. Oh, and guys, if you want, in maybe, I don't know, but I think later today I'm going to be playing Slither.io. So if you guys want to do that, you can definitely hang out with me in Slither.io. You can definitely play it. As soon as this video comes out, so like after you finish this, I am, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch my video, and then I'm going to start playing Slither.io so we can do stuff. Alright. I have to leave my bomb and my sniper here.
Look, that's
Right.
my bomb.
Alright, so guys, we are going to,
But where's my purple bomb?
I don't know. Oh, it's right there. So I am gonna have to leave the camera here because it's not like a portable camera. I'm just using my tablet and stuff to like, keep it there, and I'm not actually able to like move it around and stuff. So we're gonna have to keep it here. Sorry about that. We'll try to stay in this area for battling and stuff. See if it's even better. So yeah, on the count of 3, we have to split up and we'll start fighting. Oh, you're taking a sword? Oh. Little boy? Little boy, you taking a sword? You taking a sword? You taking a sword? No, you're not taking that. This is not a sword battle.
Yes, it is. Can we just have one sword battle?
Oh my god, fine. So guys, we're going to put our weapons down because he wants to have a little sword battle for Nerf. So we need to come up with a war cry and we're going to charge in and battle.
Okay.
So you stand right there, come up with a war cry, and then we're going to charge into battle. Do you have your war cry?
Oh, not yet. Got it.
Okay. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
No! Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
oh God. Okay.
One ball for you.
So guys, what we do is ow!
I won.
Both legs.
Oh, I won,
No.
Mommy. Both legs cut off you dead.
No.
In real life, actually.
You have to get in the chest.
Oh.
Kiss me.
You only have a body and arms and head.
Yeah, I know. No, Rex. I'm so gonna die. Oh, I got your chest. Victory! Oh my god. So close. Alright. I'm gonna get a shield for this round.
Okay, well then I get a shield too. Oh, I could get. Okay, this time I get 2.
Or you could get a sword. You can either have a shield or a sword. I want the sword. I want the shield though. Wait. That's gonna make it harder for me to shoot. Let me see if this thing has any ammo in it. Nope. I just have to put it on my other hand. I'm sorry guys for taking so long. You guys are probably thinking, oh my god, just make a short Nerf War video so we can get on with our lives, we can have fun, and we're done, right? No, we make it intense. Like the intensity is like 5,000. You might want to get a gun. No. Okay, fine.
Okay, Bob.
Start wherever you want.
No, Bob. Here, you can have a sword, okay?
I don't want a sword. I want a shield.
No, get a sword. It's a sword battle.
No, you just did a sword battle.
Oh, fine. You're not making it easy for me.
You can have a sword if you want it. A throwing hammer. Alright, so guys, we're gonna do some battles and stuff.
That hurt my head.
Alright, count of 3, we're gonna go.
Actually, you know what? I want 2 swords.
1, 2, 3, go!
5, 1 sword.
Oh, wait.
I give up. I surrender. Oh, Jesus, stop. I need
Oh, God. Okay, guys, stop. That was a stupid idea. Okay, so down below in the comments, do hashtag bad ideas and tell us one of your bad ideas.
I just saw you guys.
Because next video, we're going to read your bad ideas out loud to everybody. And I'm going to get laughed at. You're going to get laughed at. We're all going to be laughed at. We're all going to be laughing. This is going to be hilarious. And at the very end, me and my brother are going to tell you our worst idea ever. So, yeah.
So, can we do some more Nerf War?
So,
the video.
See you later, guys. And peace out. Hope you have an explosive day today. Goodbye.